The FDA is now limiting the use of two monoclonal antibody treatments. This comes after new evidence that the treatments are less effective against the Omicron variant of COVID. However, this does not mean that these kinds of treatments have been banned.
Erika Stanish went out to learn how local treatment centers are affected. She's live at a center in Pleasant Hills with what this means for people fighting COVID. Erika.
Yeah, well, Olympus Infusions tells me after being nearly forced to shut down, they're still open, but they have just a very limited supply of another type of monoclonal antibody infusion that the FDA has approved, but they say they're uncertain of just how long their supply will last. The removal of two monoclonal antibody infusions by the FDA has left treatment centers across the state looking to stock up on the one that's left.
We're limited currently to one out of the three monoclonals that were available, drastically reducing the number of folks that we can take care of.
The FDA's announcement to halt the use of Regeneron and Eli Lilly infusions comes after researchers say evidence shows they're no longer effective against the Omicron variant, which, according to the FDA, accounts for more than 99% of current COVID cases across the U.S.
We do expect more therapeutics to come. It's just going to be on a smaller scale.
Even before this, the state health department says demand for monoclonal antibodies was outpacing supply from the federal government, with Pennsylvania receiving only 1,800 doses last week. Meanwhile, on the door at Olympus Infusions in Pleasant Hills, it now says only 52 doses remain of sotrovimab, the only monoclonal antibody that can still be infused.
We just got a delivery in today of a number of doses, so we'll run one more full day tomorrow and take it as it comes.
The infusions are used to help patients recover from COVID without going to the hospital. But with a severely limited supply, the state health department says it's critical for Pennsylvanians to step up and do their part to slow the spread, as an overflow at hospitals remains a high concern with COVID cases continuing to rise. Olympus Infusion says they will remain open until they run out of their supply. Reporting live in Pleasant Hills, Erika Stanish, KDKA News.